Hello coders, welcome back to my channel LazyCoder. So today we will see a student management system. In this project, I have implemented many features like taking the attendance of a student by teacher or giving the homework or assignment to a student by teacher, and then a student can submit the homework to teachers, and then teachers can give the grade or marks to the student. And for admins, they can manage a student, teacher, department, subject, holidays, events. So there are many features that I have implemented in this project. So we will see it one by one. So before proceeding with this project, let's go to my channel LazyCoder, where I have uploaded multiple projects like face recognition system, gym management system, school management, movie ticket booking system, hospital management. So you can check this out on my channel, and please subscribe to my channel so that it will motivate me to create more projects. So let's go to student management. So this is the admin panel where admin can see that how many students are registered. In this case, you can see that five students are there, one teachers are registered, one department, and three subjects that I have already added. And the same information you can see on the graphs as well. Like here, you can see in the age group 5 to 10, one student is registered. 11 to 15 age group, one student is there. So you can check this like how many how many numbers of students are there in the particular class. Like in the class 9, you can see number of student is 2. So we will see it one by one. So let's log out from the admin account and let's see from the start. So this is the home page of a student management system project. Okay, so and one more thing, like it is fully responsive. So if we minimize the browser, it will open like a mobile device. Okay, so you can see this hamburger is working fine, right? Okay, so it's fully responsive. And if we see about the navigation bar, first one is the about us, where I have written some and described the few lines about our project. And this is the login page, and in the registration. So registration part, as like as a student, means anyone can register themselves as a student or teacher, and only login after the admin approval. So when we register through this button, then approval will be required. So I have already, if we click on teacher, then teacher can fill details like what will be their or something. Okay, and once they will register, then they can try for login. So they can only log in after their account is approved. So suppose if I log in, try to log in using student 5. So you can see here, like it's a displaying message, hello student 5, your account registration is successful, but it is currently awaiting approval from administrator. Okay, so I will approve this account and I will show you that then student 5 can log in into their system. So let's go back to login and let's log in as a admin. Okay, so this is the dashboard that we have already seen. And if you see about this one, a student, so admin can list the student. And so here you can see five students are registered, right? So if we delete it on dashboard, we can see five students are showing, right? So we will delete one student, then it will be updated here also. Okay, so let's go to the listing of the student and let's delete this student, Mahesh Ganesh one. So let's click on that. You can see here on the list that one student is deleted, and on the dashboard also it got updated as 4. Earlier it was 5, right? And accordingly this graph also updated. Okay, so this is about the listing, and admin can also add the student. Here only one thing is changed, that when admin will add the student or teacher, there will be no approval required because admin itself is registering, means no one else is registering, right? So in this case, there will be no any approval required. Okay, and there is one more option is there for admin. Like if we admin will click on the student pending, then all their details who have registered through the home page will be shown here. Suppose if I click on this approve button, okay, then only a student 5 can log in into the system. And if we reject it, then student 6 can't log in. So let's try with that. Okay. So if we click on approve, then on the dashboard, a student count will be increased from 4 to 5, and a student 5 can log in. So let's click on the approve, and here a message displayed that a student 5 account has been approved. And let's go to the dashboard, and you can see here that count is increased and graph also changed, right? And if we go to again student pending, then let's reject it. So you can see here student 6 account has been rejected and removed, and now it's showing that no pending account are there. So this list will be updated only when anyone will be registered through home page, right? So let's click on the home page. Okay, and when we rejected it, count does not increased, right? So this is about the student perspective from the admin account. Let's go to the teacher. So here the same functionality, like just the few attributes got changed, like how many years of experience the teachers have, and which subject they want to teach. So they can fill while registering. Okay, and the same option, like we can delete the teachers. Okay, and the admin can also add the teachers by filling the details. Okay, and here also admin approval will not be required because it is being admitted by admin only. And there is a teachers pending. There is no any teachers pending. Okay, and for the department, like admin can see the department, how many departments are there. Okay, English department, so on. Who is the HOD of that department, right? Number of students, and admin can delete it. Suppose let's delete on, click on delete on dashboard. You can see zero departments are showing now, right? Okay, and admin can add the departments. Okay, and same thing goes for the subject, like listing this subject. So let's click on the delete. Let's delete the math one. So you can see that subjects got deleted, and there's a heritage. So this page will be displayed to all the teachers and all the students. Okay, so on the 26th of January, Republic Day is there. So, and the events like college annual sports or science exhibition or anything is there. So, it will be there in the events section. So, this is about the admin account. So, let's log in as a student now. Earlier, student 5, we have seen that student 5 is not able to log in, right? So, let's log in as a student 5. Great. Now, you can see that student 5 is able to log in. And on the dashboard it's saying that your attendance is 100%, pending assignment 0, submitted assignment 0, and graded assignments 0. So we will see it all the features one by one. So my attendance, so let's click on the my attendance. So means teacher have not taken the attendance of this student. So let's log in as a teacher. So see, when we registering the student or teacher, there is one field, student, right? Class is there, one attribute is there, class. So when the teacher will be login, only the student registered in their class will be shown here. So you can see that on the admin dashboard, 5 students were there, right? But here it's showing that only 2 students are there in your class. Okay, and means we will see that what is this homeworks assigned. So when we create the homework, this count will be increased. And when any student, when these any of the two student will submit the assignment, that then this count will be increased. And when we made any announcement like this exam will be held on the second, third, or unit test will happen on 4th July or whatever is there, so teachers can make the announcement, and this announcement will be shown to their student class only, not to other class. Suppose this teacher is assigned for class 9, right? Then only the announcement or assignment or attendance also can be shown to that respective class only. So let's click on the, and this graph will be also updated because teachers have not taken any, given any homework or attendance. So this graph is blank. We will see it one by one. So I have already logged in as a teachers. So let's click on the take attendance. Now you can see here take attendance for class 9 is showing here, and today's date 23rd of July is showing here, right? And all the students list is showing here which is registered for the class 9 only, and this teacher can take attendance of class 9 only. Why? Because this teacher is registered assigned to class 9, and only a student registered with the class 9 will be shown here. Okay, suppose let's click on the Mohan is present and Pintu is absent. Okay, let's click on submit attendance. Now you can see that class attendance for class 9 on this date has been recorded. Okay, and if we click on the view attendance, okay, then it's saying that select the date, means on which date you want to see. So if we, let's see, if we want to take the attendance again, then it will say that your class attendance has already been recorded for today. So then again tomorrow if teacher will log in, then only they can take the attendance, because today it's already recorded. So let's click on the view attendance and select the date. So it's saying that 23rd of July, because today this teacher has taken the attendance. So let's click on it. So when the teachers clicked on it, it's saying that Mohan is present and Pintu is absent, right? And let's go to the dashboard now. Now you can see here this chart got updated. Like today's student is present, absent, and one is present, right? Accordingly, this chart will be managed. Okay, shown accordingly to the data. Let's click on the view attendance, and we have already seen this part. So let's click on the new announcement. Let's click like exam dates, and teachers can hi student post like hi student, please be prepared for the exam, right? For upcoming exam, and let's click on post announcement. Okay, and then you can see that new announcement is there. So if we click on the manage announcement, then all the announcement will be shown here, like okay, and teachers can also delete it. Okay, so this is about the announcement. So let's click on the dashboard. Now in this card is updated, right? One announcement made. Now go to the create homework. Now I want to give the titles of homework like history chapter 1, okay, and give all the instruction like submit on time, okay, and give the due date, means till what time student can submit the assignment. So let's click on 31 1st of the July, and assignment file is there. So in that file teacher should write any questions like any things they want to do, and all the types of file it is supporting, like not only PDF or words, TXT or whatever file they want they can upload. Image also will work fine. Okay, so let's click here. So history, let's give the assignment history is there. Okay, and let's click on the create homework. So you can see here when the teacher will click created a new homework, this page will be redirected and teachers can view the homework also. And it's saying that you created homework, submit on time, and this is the description, view assignment, view submissions, and the due date is this. Teachers can delete the assignment also. When suppose it is very old assignment, then teacher can delete it, right? And when the teachers will click on it, that what the file they have submitted will be opened here. Okay, and view submissions. Okay, so when the teachers will click on the view submissions, all the student of their class only will be shown here, and the status is pending showing here. Why? Because this student have not submitted the assignment. And when the student will submit the assignment, then on what date they have submitted will be shown here, and action is there. So when they will submit, action will be shown like give the marks and the feedbacks, so the teachers can give the feedback. We will see it by logging through the student account, and we will submit the assignments. Okay, so let's click on the view homework, and this holiday events is same. Let's click on the dashboard. So now you can see that homework is assigned 1, but submission received 0 is still showing here, right? And this graph is also not showing because student have not submitted anything, right? So let's log out from the teacher's account and log in as a student. Let's log out and let's log in, right? Suppose let's log in as a student 5, and you will see one thing. Go to my attendance, and you here you can see that 0 percentage, 0 percentage. Why it's 0? Because this student is not of a class of that particular teacher that we have seen. So nothing is showing here. View announcement, if we see, no announcement is showing here. Because why? Because this student is of different class. So and that teacher is for the different class. So it is managed accordingly to class. So let's log in as a class 9 student, right? So let's log in as a, so student 1 is a class 9 student. So let's go to login as a. Okay. Now you can see the graph is showing here, and it's showing that it's present, right? And pending, your homework status is pending, and your attendance is 100%. Suppose today this student is present, and tomorrow he will be absent, then it will show it as a 50%, right? So your attendance percentage will be shown here. Okay, and when the teachers will grade, then also it will be shown here that how many teachers have graded. So a student can see the attendance here. Okay, like a percentage, absent days, how many percentage on which day this student was present, right? So that also a student can see in the by attendance. And let's click on the view announcement first. We will go to the homework, and so announcement is shown here like which teacher means have given the some announcement, so that can also be seen here because there can be multiple teachers of class 9, and any teachers can take the attendance. Okay, and any teachers of that class 9 only give the announcement or homework. So hi student, please be prepared for upcoming exams, and a student can't delete the announcement, right? Only the teachers can delete the it, right? And this is holidays events, it is same. Okay, so let's go to the homework. Suppose this is the page that student can see. You can see here that a student can't delete it, right? And a student can see that which teacher have given, what is the title, what is the description, okay, what is the due date of this assignment. So a student will what will do, it will download. So let's click on the download. Okay, so it is downloaded, right? So it's working fine. And then a student will open this Word document, It can be a PDF also, like teachers can PDF submit the PDF, and a student can also. So it's saying that have you subscribed? Question one is, have you subscribed LazyCoder YouTube channel, right? So then teachers can, then a student can give the answer, like give the answer in any file. I'm just giving the example, like answer is yes. It's very good channel. Please subscribe to my channel also, so that it will help me to create more projects. So I have submitted the created the file. Okay, so then a student can click on the submit your work. Okay, then it's saying that just drag and drop your files. So let's click on the submission history submission.docs. Okay, let's click on submit homework. Okay. Now, when the student have submitted, it's saying that your submission is awaiting feedback, and now no submit option is coming, right? So only one chance is there to upload the assignment. I mean, a student can't submit again and again, again and again. Okay, so that features is not there. So only one time student can submit this assignment, and then now it's waiting for a feedback from the teacher, that what comment teachers have provided, means how many marks they have given. So that I will open login as a teacher and will give the feedback. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard. Now you can see here submitted assignment is 1. Okay, okay, and pending assignments now becomes 0. Why? Because if we go to the homework, now there is no any pending one, right? Okay, so that is why it becomes 0, and this one also submitted, this graph also got updated, and now you can see it as a zero graded assignments, right? So it will be increased only when the teachers will give the grade or marks. So let's log out as a student account and let's log in as a teacher. Okay, now you can see that this graph was not updated, right? So it got updated, and submission received 1. So then teacher will go to the view homework. Okay, and then you can see that view submissions, right? So it will go. Now you can see that this student have submitted the assignment. Earlier it was pending, right? And this action we can't see, right? So let's click on the view and grade. Then what will teacher will do? It will just click on the download file, means what student have submitted. So let's see the what student have submitted. Means the teachers will see, yes, it's my favorite channel. It's whatever the answer is there, teachers can see and give the feedback. Like, yes, you are right. No, not right. Like, yeah, very good. Just uh, keep improving. Okay, or just very good. Like the videos also, like Lazy Coders video also. Lazy Coder video also, and suppose marks you can give like 99. Okay, then just click on the save feedback, and teachers can change the grade also later. Suppose teachers have submitted, then they can update it also, like suppose now I want to give the save feedback 98. Okay, so the student can see the 98 now. So let's go to the dashboard of teachers, and now you can see that submission received 1, and homeworks assigned this one as a 1. Okay, now let's log out as a teacher account and let's log in as a student. Now you can see that this got updated as 1, and now go to the homework 1 and teachers feedback. Now a student can see the teachers feedback, very good, like the lazy coder video also. Okay, So this one is feedback is given by and marks can also be seen here. So and so this can be a multiple this section can be multiple like this. So when other teachers give the other teacher of the same class 9 only, and then list will be long. Okay, and then teachers can delete this. When the teachers will be delete the assignment, then a student will can't see the assignment. So let's log out as a student and let's log in as a student teachers only, and then we will delete it. Okay, let's see these pictures also. Go to the view homework and let's click on the delete it. Okay, so now it's saying that homework history chapter 1 and all its submissions has also been deleted. So now go to the dashboard, and now you can see that this chart got updated. Submission received 0, homework assigned 0, right? All those becomes 0 now. And let's log in as a student. Here also you will see the same thing, like 0 pending assignment, 0 submitted, 0 graded, and this chart got updated. And homework also means there is nothing. Earlier we can see that all the feedbacks, marks were there, but now it's nothing. Why? Because teachers have deleted it. Means this features is there. Suppose means 1 year old assignment is there, so there is no need to give the burden on database, right? So teachers can delete it or keep it. It's their choice. Okay, so these are the features is there in the student management system, like attendance, viewing that announcement, or when teachers can make the announcement, give the homework, a student can submit the assignments, right? And then again, teachers can give the marks. So these are the things are there. So you can check this out project, and please subscribe to channel so that it will motivate me to create more projects. You can check this out like face recognition system and many more projects are there. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching my videos.